And once you follow these steps, you are on the right track. You're on your way to having a brighter looking skin. If you want your skin to look like mine, if you want your skin to be brighter, if you want to have same skin tone, if you want your skin to pop, then you must listen to these instructions. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and here we talk about all things related to skincare. And in today's video, I'll be talking about 3 powerful brightening bar soaps that would help to brighten up your skin, give you a good looking skin that you never imagined. But wait, these bar soaps are only supposed to be used at night. If you know that you cannot keep to instructions, if you know that you cannot listen to simple instructions and abide by them, please do not watch this video. But if you know you want to brighten up your skin and give your skin that lush vibe that you're looking for, and also you're on a tight budget, you don't have much money to spare, and you want to really brighten up your skin, and you're ready to follow all the instructions I'm going to give in this video, then sit back and let's dive into the video. The first thing I want to tell you when it comes to brightening up your skin is that you're going to be needing affordable products, because you will need a product that you can repurchase and repurchase and repurchase as long as you can. Consistency is that one factor that can help you to brighten up your skin and achieve a good looking skin. It does not matter the amount of product that you use, it does not matter the price tag. What matters is that you're consistent and you are just using one particular brand consistently. So without wasting your time, I'm going to be introducing you to the very first bar soap that you would need if you want to brighten up your skin. So the very first bar soap that I'm going to be introducing to you in this video will have to be the particular one from Alpha 3 Arbutin bar soap. Okay, this one is from Venute White and it's very potent when it comes to skin whitening self. If you want to whiten your skin, or if you want to lighten your skin, or if you want to brighten your skin, this is a bar soap that you should lay your hand on. If you are looking forward to brighten your skin, only brighten your skin, I'm going to tell you the steps that you can follow and use this bar soap to achieve that. And if you want to whiten your skin, this is also a bar soap that you can use, and I'm going to be giving you the hack that can make you to achieve that particular result. When it comes to the particular bar soap, one thing I love about it is the ingredient that it contains. It contains powerful ingredients that would help to whiten or brighten up your skin. It contains alpha Abboutin, which you know that alpha Abboutin is that one ingredient that can help to get rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, dull skin, and give you a radiant, brighter looking skin. It also contains collagen, and collagen will help to firm your skin so that your skin will not be looking saggy, your skin will not be looking too loose. It will help to firm your skin. And also the work of collagen is that it's going to help to restore your broken skin barrier or repair your broken skin barrier, and also help to prevent your skin barrier from being broken. So this is a very good bar soap that you can use when it comes to skin lightening or skin brightening. If you want to use a bar soap to brighten up your skin, if you want to use it to fade hyperpigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, dull skin, you just want to brighten up your skin a bit, the way that you can use this soap is just by using it 4 times in a week, and you're going to be using it only at night. Do not use this soap during the day. But if you know that you're looking forward to lighten up your skin, you want that brighter looking skin, if you have dark inner thigh, dark butt, dark feet, this is a soap that can get rid of it. It helps to even out your skin, even out your complexion, even out your body, and give you a same skin tone. I would advise that you use it every night if you want to achieve faster results, or if you want to lighten up your skin. This bar soap is the bar soap that you can use. The way to use this bar soap will be said at the end of this video, because all the bar soaps have the same way of using them. Okay, the second bar soap that would help to brighten up your skin this year 2025 and give you a lush looking skin would have to be the particular one from Ashanti. If you know, you know that I always talk about the particular bar soap. This one is Ashanti Papaya and Honey bar soap, and this one contains Q10, it contains AHA and BHA, it contains papaya, it contains honey. Papaya would help to actually lighten up your skin, brighten up your skin, and give you a good looking skin, while the Q10 is an exfoliant. It's a chemical exfoliant that will actually help to actually, you know, just exfoliate your skin gently and give you a fresh looking skin. The AHA and BHA is also a chemical exfoliant that would help to brighten up your skin. The honey in this would actually help to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin so that your skin will not lose its moisture. This soap is a rare gem in a pack, okay? It's a rare gem in a pack. You can never go wrong with this. This will not lighten up your skin, no, but this will brighten up your skin. So the next bar soap that will help to brighten up your skin and give you a same skin tone will have to be this bar soap from Extract. This is Extract Whitening Herbal Soap. As long as you get the original one, not the one that is made in Nigeria, you are good to go. This is the original one, okay? It contains papaya, it contains lemon, papaya calamansi that would help to lighten and whiten up your skin depending on your skin tone. If you have a very thick skin, then this soap will only brighten your skin to an extent. But if you have a very light skin, this soap can even go further to lighten up your skin a bit, okay? It also contains salicylic acid, which would help to get rid of your body acne. If you're the type that struggle with body acne and you have used countless multiple products to get rid of it and it's not working, you should try this soap. This soap will help to even out your skin and give you a same skin tone. Like, you can never go wrong with this soap, okay? So now when it comes to using these 3 bar soaps for lightening or brightening up your skin, you are going to be following these instructions I'm going to give in this video, and once you follow these steps, you are on the right track. You're on your way to having a brighter looking skin. If you want your skin to look like mine, if you want your skin to be brighter, if you want to have same skin tone, if you want your skin to pop, then you must listen to these instructions. So the very first thing I want you to know, if you want to brighten or lighten up your skin, is that you're going to be doing what is called pre-cleansing. You're going to be pre-cleansing your body using a pre-cleansing bar soap. For this, you're going to be needing a mild, gentle soap that will not strip your skin of its natural oil. A soap that will just, just gently wash away dirt, oil on the surface of your skin. Wash away dirt and oil on the surface of your skin. And for these bar soaps, I would recommend the one from Dettol, the Dettol skincare bar soap, or Kusam baby bar soap, or you can even get this Johnson baby bar soap. This one is mild and is even very affordable. It can do the job and do the job very well. Or if you have more money, to splurge further, you can get the one from Dove. This is Dove pampering bar soap. If you use a particular bar soap, you would know that it is amazing when it comes to pre-cleansing. Pre-cleansing will help to get rid of dirt, it will help to get rid of oil, it would help to prep your skin and get your skin ready to accept these brightening and lightening bar soaps that I just talked about in this video. If you want to achieve a faster result, this is the main hack, okay? The second instruction that we are going to adhere to is that you're going to be exfoliating your skin at least 2 times in a week, okay? You get a gentle scrub and exfoliate your skin very well. I already made a full video on how to exfoliate your skin and exfoliate the right way. If you follow that my video, follow the instructions that I gave in that video, you are going to exfoliate your skin the right way, and you're also going to be achieving a good result. The next thing I want to tell you in this video is that you're going to moisturize very well. After using these soaps, please moisturize your skin. Moisturize very well, and back it up with a good lightening body oil or brightening body oil, depending on the result that you want to achieve. If you want to lighten up your skin, you can back it up with the Skin Point. I have them available here, but I forgot to bring them in this video. You can back it up with the Skin Point glow oil, glow booster oil, or you can back it up with the Desire Vitamin C body oil or the Desire Vitamin C gel oil. If you have a dry skin, you go for the gel, okay? These instructions would help you to achieve a faster result. Another thing I want to say in this video is that these bar soaps can actually melt easily. They oxidize very fast. So the best way to use them is to cut them in pieces. Please cut them in pieces, cut them in bites. This one is unused, okay? If I would have showed you the way I cut it into 3 or into 2, depending on the vibe that I'm going for. Do not use it as a bar so that you will not end up wasting money. If you cut them in little cubes, okay, maybe in 3 or in 2, to last more for you and also save you money. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to achieving good skincare results. If you want to achieve this kind of skin, you have to be consistent, okay? And there have it, my loves. This is the 3 powerful brightening bar soaps and lightening bar soaps that would help to give you that lush skin that you're looking for, help to give you a brighter looking skin, a glowy skin, and a radiant skin. If you have watched whatever point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It helps me to grow here on YouTube, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, share the video to someone that you know that is complaining of being dark, complaining of having uneven skin and her skin being dull, and person wants to brighten up her skin and have a radiant skin. Share the video to such persons and the person will thank you later. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section telling me the bar soap that you have tried from all these bar soap that I just reviewed in this video, and tell me the one you are going to also try just because you watched this video. And until next time, I love, stay glowy and bye.